Hi, I'm Justin Gutwein, and today I'm going to show you how to use filters to dive deeper into the data and insights in your Erudit account. So let's start here on the analysis page. Now I can see a high-level view of what's going on in our organization. Engagement's looking pretty good, burnout risk is low, turnover risk is low, and this is over the last 30 days. Now I can choose a bunch of other different ranges, including a custom range if I wanted to, but let's keep it for 30 days right now. So I'm a little curious of what's going on in the engineering department because we've been hearing some things that are getting a little tense over there. So first thing I'm going to do, click department, let's choose engineering. And here we can see the engagement for the engineering department is a little bit lower than the company average. Burnout risk is a little higher and turnover risk is also a little bit higher than the company average. I'm also seeing that autonomy is much lower than the company average. So let's say that about a month ago or so, we hired a new director of engineering. Let's check in on his team and see how they're feeling. Add a manager. Abe is his name. And we can see again, engagement has gone down, risk and turnover risk are up, and autonomy has dropped from 18 to 11%. So we can see right away that there might be a little bit of issue with autonomy on Abe's team. So let's add another filter honing in on the least engaged people on his team. So go to metric, engagement, and let's just choose very low. And yeah, we definitely have an issue here. 50% lower than company average on engagement, much higher on burnout and turnover risk, and autonomy is down to 4%. So from here, I could continue to dive deeper with more and more filters. We can add as many as we want. And there's an entire list over here of different filters we can add, including location, tenure, salary range. But I think it's pretty clear that we have an issue on Abe's team with autonomy. So armed with that information, I'm pretty confident that we need to create an action plan addressing autonomy on the engineering team and specifically on Abe's team. And we can do that right within Erudit using the actions page. However, we're going to show you how to do that in a future video. So this is just one of many ways that you can use filters to dive deeper into the data and see what's going on in your organization at a very micro level. If you have any more questions about Erudit, please feel free to book a demo or the free trial or reach directly out to one of us. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next one.